They say true love is shown through care. And what better way to show it than with a car that shines like new no matter what tools you have? Even with no fancy equipment, no power washer, just your bare hands and a few smart techniques, you can transform a muddy mess into a gleaming masterpiece. Food Travel and DIY takes you to the ultimate car wash transformation. You too can wash any car, whether or not you have a power washer. Whether you're a beginner or a weekend warrior, this video shows how I turn my muddy mess of a car into a stunning head turner using simple tools and careful technique. I do this as a weekly maintenance wash, and today I'm sharing the full process with you. This car hasn't been washed in 3 weeks and it's been through monsoon madness, mud, sand, and rain patches. But just wait till you see the final transformation. It's worth every minute. Fun fact: a dirty car can reduce the fuel efficiency by up to 10% because the dirt disrupts airflow. No matter what method you use, scratches are inevitable over time. But my method is designed to minimize the damage caused by using careful, tested tips. Your car deserves some love, not some harsh scrubbing. Now let's inspect the damage. Take a look. Mud is splattered all over. See these brown dots? That's not just dirt. Those are mud stains left behind by evaporated water droplets. It's ugly work. Hit that like button if your car has ever looked like this after the rains. Prerequisite for a safe and shiny wash. Wash in the shade. Never wash a hot car or one that's just been driven. Let the body cool down. Use a good car shampoo. Avoid cheap products. I recommend Wavex or Proclear, Indian brands that work wonders. 2-bucket setup. I use a cream-colored full bucket and a blue quarter bucket. Remember these. Prep the blue bucket. Add manufacturer-recommended shampoo quantity, mix well and soak in a bunch of microfiber towels and a wash mitt. Fun fact: microfiber towels can hold up to 7 times their weight in water. That's why they're perfect for car washing. Step 1. Rinse off the loose dirt. I use a cheap Chinese spray gun here. You can use a power washer, a hose, or even just a mug. The goal is simple: get rid of the heavy dirt using plain water. No shampoo yet. Step 2. Shampoo and agitate. Now comes the gentle part. Using a soaked microfiber mitt, I start agitating the dirt. Important: never use the same cloth for the whole car. Once dirty, set it aside. I switch to clean towels as I go. Also, don't dip the used towels back into the bucket. That's how swirl marks happen. If your hands get muddy, rinse them using a separate pail or spray water away from the car. Depending on the heat, you can shampoo the whole car or work in sections. Never let soap water dry on the car before rinsing. I also clean the door jambs and spray the tires. I use the mitt and towels here too. Once the mitt is too dirty, it's gone. No reuse. Fun fact: door jambs often collect more mud than visible parts of the car. Cleaning them improves the seal and prevents rust. I even rinse the roof, standing carefully on the tire for better reach. Step 3. Final rinse. Now it's rinse time. I again use the cheap spray gun, but a hose or a bucket works fine as well. The goal is to remove all of that soapy residue. And step 4, we dry the car. Now I dry the entire car using dry microfiber cloth. Yes, even the door jambs. And then it's the wheel's turn. I repeat the shampoo, rinse and dry steps here too. Tire dressing, the final touch. Tires are the shoes of your car, and just like you'd polish your shoes before a big event, you should shine your tires too. I use Wavex Tire Shine. Spray it on and then use the supplied sponge to spread it evenly. Fun fact: tire dressings not only make your tire shine, they protect the rubber from UV rays and cracking. And then we go to the results. All this just took about 45 minutes to an hour. I do this weekly, and trust me, nothing compares to the joy of stepping back and seeing your car gleam under the sun. This is not just a wash, it's a therapy for car lovers. If this video helped you feel more confident about washing your car, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button. It helps me a lot and brings more such tips your way. Final thoughts. Your car deserves this. With the right care, tools and love, you don't need a power washer, you don't need a garage. You just need to start. Subscribe, share this with someone who needs it, and let's keep our rides beautiful together. See you.